Today I went to the market to buy some things for my house. Actually, I went to buy some fruits and some vegetables. While he was still sleeping, I left him with his grandmother. Then I went to the market to buy some things. And actually, I'll be showing you how it went and what I bought. And I will be showing you generally how the Turkish market looks like and what it feels like buying things there. uh, yeah, so I just did a small shopping for my family, and keep watching the video. Always bought some things for my house, but I never went to the Turkish market because I can relate. This Turkish market is the same like Kenyan market where we go and buy so many things, grocery, and then come to the house, bring them to the house. So today I took advantage when my son beings, and I already have them here. Some apples, there's so many, some onions, some good bananas, about some bananas you can see. And also I found out some maize, these maize corns. They're actually so nice, you can see. So I bought some of them, and of course I bought my favorite, some eggplants, biringanya. I don't know if Kenyans they know this. We call them biringanya in Kenya. And also about some onion, not onion, some lemons. We have some lemons, and my favorite fruits here, this one here. About some, how do we call them? And then we have also these palms. I bought these ones, and you can see how sweet they are. And I bought some apples and some, wait a little bit, and some sweet pepper. They're so nice, you can see. And also actually I passed by to buy some shoes. These are some shoes that I bought. You can see how sweet it is. Some shoes for myself. I bought them some what do we call these, fake brands. In Turkey they're so high quality shoes, but they're fake brands. And yeah, I passed by to buy some of these for myself. And yeah, so I'm going to leave the video here to see, you can watch and see how everything went. Remember, there is corona, so I had to put on the mask. I could not do much of talking and much. I just went too fast because my son was here and he was sleeping, so I needed to come back so quickly. So you can watch the video, then if you like it, subscribe, give it a like, and share if you can. And then I'll be sharing more about this. And the best thing about the market is that you can find everything, actually everything, absolutely everything that you can, you will find them. So I'm so glad that I found everything there. So for now, just continue watching the video. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.
Sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase? To just bite our old tail. Wishing that something would change, that we could turn back the page and live like our favorite fairy tales. So a love so freeing, a world of our fantasies, flying on dragons through sky-high cities. These are childhood dreams, it's how we used to be, when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 oh. Our childhood fantasy, digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are childhood dreams, it's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Oh, 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 our childhood dreams. Our childhood dreams, it's how it used to be when we were kings and queens in our childhood dreams. Sitting at the same old workplace. What's the point of this chase? To just bite our own tail. Wishing